August sales report and best-selling items. For the month of August, I had 104 sales across all stores. This is a 148% increase from the 42 sales I had in July. Sales broken down by store: Miss Rhoadie 30, Weddings by Rhoadie 25, Homeschool Me 7, Rhoadie's Kitchen 38, Alma Africa 2, Bible Verses and Gifts 2, Earrings by Rhoadie 0. Best-selling items. This month I had a new first place entry, Cursive Name Shot Glass by Rhoadie's Kitchen. My best Grandpa Ever photo t-shirt was in second place. Neon Pink Trendy 80s leggings was in third place. The rest of my sales consisted of items such as greeting cards, t-shirts, reusable grocery bags, bridesmaid proposals, stickers, baby shower hand fans, file folders, space masks, ribbon, a golf ball, golf head cover, keychains, baby bodysuits, magnets, wrapping paper, a coffee mug, a poster, a glass tumbler, and a notebook. Customer demographics. 49% of my customers were from the U.S. and 51% were international. And this is a first for me to have more international than U.S. Women were 53% of my customers, men 25%, and 22% unknown. My top state was Florida with 13 sales. International sales. Australia was 37% of all my store sales. Canada, I had 5 sales. Ireland, 8 sales. Sweden and Germany, 1 sale each. Honorable mentions. For the first time ever, I had more international sales than domestic. And most of those international sales was from Australia. This was also the first time my best-selling item came from a store that was not my main store. Because my main store is Miss Rhoadie. That is the oldest store that I have, and most of my best-selling items are from that store. So that's good to see a change and to see my other stores gain more popularity. And this month was the first time my store with the most sales, Rhoadie's Kitchen, was not my main store. So as I stated before, Rhoadie's Kitchen beat out Miss Rhoadie as the top selling store. Referrals. I had no referrals for the month of August. Takeaways. It is important to do research on your Zazzle stores to see trends. For example, I had more international sales than domestic this month. I also had more sales coming from Rhoadie's Kitchen versus my main store, Miss Rhoadie. So my question is this a fleeting trend, or is this something that I need to keep my eye on? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.